Hello and welcome to this Diggle tutorial. Today we're exploring participant analytics, a powerful feature that allows you to efficiently collect and manage participant data. To get started with participant analytics, head over to your settings in the builder and click on Register Participant Information. This is where you can configure what data you want to collect from your participants. Once enabled, participants will be prompted to provide their details before joining your session. Next, let's customize the information fields. Diggle provides fields like name and email by default, but you can add custom fields to gather additional information. To add a field, click Add Field, select the type of data you want to collect, and customize the field label, where you either add a predefined field or create your own custom field. Add how you want the participant to answer the question, and depending on the information you need from your participants, you can make fields required or optional. You can then arrange your fields in any order by dragging and dropping them. The data from your sessions can be accessed on the Participant Analytics page, which provides valuable insights into your audience. This data lets you track individual participants between multiple sessions and Diggles, which is valuable when using Diggle for multiple trainings. Select the Diggle and the fields you want to track and generate your report. You can easily export all data by clicking the Export button in the Participants tab. Diggle will download the data as an Excel file, which you can review, share, or import into other tools. And that's how you use Register Participant Information and Participant Analytics in Diggle. This feature makes collecting, managing, and analyzing participant information easy. If you found this information helpful, subscribe for more Diggle tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching and happy diggling.